All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and as part of the Rankin Technical College AWD 1000 Web Development Technologies course, I've been creating a series of video presentations that are based off of the Mozilla Developer Network Learn Development series. We're under server-side website programming, and we're talking the Express Web Framework with Node.js and JavaScript, and we are in the middle of the local library tutorial. All right, we are on part 5, which has got 12 portions in it. We've done the first 7. The asynchronous flow control using async, the template primary, the local library-based template, the homepage book list page, book instance list page, and the date formatting using Luxon. So we are now up to part 8, which is the author list page and the genre list page challenge. So it says the author list page needs to display a list of authors in the database with each author name linked to its associated author detail page. The date of birth and date of death should be listed after the name on the same line. The author list controller function needs to get a list of all author instances and then pass these for rendering. So we want our author controller, we want to find the author list, and we want to replace it with that. So our author controller and the author list. All right, there's our author controller, and I believe it said it was the author list that we were supposed to put in there. Let's double check. Yes. So find the exported and replace it with the following code. There that is. All right. As it says here, this method uses the find, sort, and exec functions to return all author objects sorted by family name or last name in alphabetic order. The callback passed to the exec method is called with any errors or null as the first parameter, or a list of all authors on success. If there's an error, it calls the next middleware function, and that's the next that you see right here. All right, so create views author list.pug and replace its content with this. So we're going to do that in just a second. Let's go into where we have our pugs, which is opening in our views. All right. And we want to create a new file in here that is called authorlist.pug. Yes, we want to change the extension, and we immediately want to bring that file up. It'll be empty. We want to replace it with this. All right. Run the application and open your browser. Select the All Authors link, and if everything is set up correctly, the page should look something like this. Well, let's look. Oops. As always, I keep refreshing here. Open up All Authors, and there it is. Now, I don't believe that this has been implemented yet, but that's okay. Because now we've got a home, we've got an All Books, we've got an All Authors, and we've got an All Book Instances. And I think next they're going to ask us to do this All Genres. All right, so let's look, see if that's indeed the case. All right, in this section, you should implement your own genre list page. The page should display a list of genres in the database with each genre linked to the associated detail page. A screenshot is shown below. You will need to edit genre list in controllers. The implementation is almost the same as the author list. So let's grab the author list stuff that's up here. Let's copy it to the clipboard, and we'll make the associated changes. All right, so what we want in here is not our author controller, but we want our genre controller. And we want this display list. And that, of course, will be genre list. All right. And we're, again, we're going to have a lot of different things that we're going to have in here. So we'll have a genre. Find. All right. Let's see what else. Sort the results by name. The template should be rendered to genrelist.pug. The template should be rendered, should be passed the title and the genre list. The view should match the screenshots shown right here. All right, so let's first go back to here and see if there's anything else we have to change. Family name, I think that's correct. So we render, we don't want author list. This will be genre list. So will this. So will this. And I don't think we want list authors here. We want list genres. All right, family name, that all looks okay. And this will be list genres as well. Now, if I made any mistakes, you're going to know it right when I know it. So I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to grab the pug file. And I'm going to do a file, new. I'm going to paste that in. Don't think we wanted this. I think we may have only wanted I don't think we need this or in here. I think this will be gone in just a second. Genre find callback. Well, so I'm going to remove that. I'm going to save this. This will be saved as, in views, as genre list dot pug. All right, so that's in there. Genre. That looks like it's okay. Now, if I missed anything in here, the program is going to blow up. So we've saved that. We have saved that. So let's go back into here. First of all, let's see if we broke anything when we refresh. How about all genres? Hey. They're not implemented, but don't worry about that. I just want to see if is that the way it's supposed to look. Fantasy, French poetry, and science fiction. There it is. So I believe we did all of that correctly. All right. So we have now completed the first 8 of these. So we've got the genre detail page, the book detail page, the author detail page, and finally the book instance detail page with a challenge. So we'll come back for the genre detail page in just a couple minutes.